Okay, I am getting ready to harvest cucumber because I just walked on this side and all I see are cucumbers and they need to be taken ASAPidly. So, and these are the party time cucumbers. Millennial Gardener said in one of his videos that these cucumbers are prolific, and he was absolutely right. I got more cucumbers than I know what to do with. And I'm squeezing through here because they have grown just so much. I even have cucumbers on the ground. Oh goodness. Okay. How am I going to do this? I know I'm blocking y'all, but I'll show you each one as I pull them out. I just I hope I'm not stepping on them or hurting them in any kind of way. Where did I put the basket? Okay. And these, because they are snack size, they are on the smaller side, and that's fine. You can also pickle them. Okay, he's not ready. Are you? No, you can stay on a little longer. But I was trying to conserve the camera because it kept getting hot on me earlier, but I had to turn it back on to show you guys these cucumbers as I harvest them, because it's a bunch of them. I saw more. Okay, that one stay on a little longer. This one that's on the ground, I'm going to have to do something with him because he's not ready yet. My neighbors are leaving. Hopefully nobody will start munching on him. How am I going to do this? Okay, can y'all go that way so I can get down here? Look at this one. I don't know if you can see it. Whoops, I keep hitting the stake. It was definitely time for me to harvest cucumbers. This is amazing. I'll even take this little short one, but he's fat. Okay, there's one down here I need to get to, if I can reach it. Yep. I really hope y'all can see me showing them to you. And I know there's more in here, but some of them that I've seen, I'm going to leave just so they can get just a little bit bigger. Oh, okay. I need to go on to the other side. And this little basket is almost full. Ah, come on, man. Y'all let go. These polar flowers, I have just beat them to death. Now I saw some over here. What if I go from the top? Okay, you are ready. See if I can get you without doing more damage to something else. I saw another one, but I can't remember how to get to it. Okay, that one can stay on. That one needs to come with me. I've definitely got to get my mama some of these. And my sister, she needs them. Nope, that was feeling a little longer. Okay, I think that is it for the cucumber harvest. Yep, I think that's it. But that's enough. Okay, I'm not going to come back through that way. I'm going to come around. Alright. Thank you guys for joining me. My cucumber harvest, oh my God. It is unbelievable. This little basket is full of cucumbers. Trying to run away from me. I mean, these are, oh my God, way more than I thought I would get. Like I mentioned before, Millennial Gardener said that the party time cucumbers grow, they are just prolific, and he was absolutely right. That plant still has a bunch of cucumbers on them. They're just smaller. They're not big, fat, and juicy like this one or these that are in here. You know, it's awesome. You can, they're snack cucumbers. You can pickle them, you know, do whatever with them. But I got cucumbers, y'all. Cucumbers that look like cucumbers. Not them funny looking things I think I grew last summer, spring, summer. One of those days. Anyway, thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos or visiting our channel, hit the subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you the next time, take care. Bye. I got cucumbers, y'all.